idea ti naisayang kat analawag street dance challenge idilain kalmoen kas pasete ti kafestaan iti siyudad ti Lawag iti Pamulinawen Festival 2025. Nagbibinalubalan daytoy dagiti sangapulo ket maysa a pagadalan iti sekundarya ken iti panangipresentar da kadagiti nagduduma a konsepto babae na iti panagsala usar dagiti nagduduma a materyales ken nararanyag nga arkos. Dinayaw ni Lawag City Mayor Michael Marquestion iti nagbalin a partisipasyon dagiti so amin anang bukel iti programa manipod kadagiti mangisursuro naganak dagiti estudyante, choreographers, judges ken iti sibu bukel nga organizers. Bigbigan na asaan daing iti panangipakita ti talento iti naangay a pasalit no diket ditoy na iparangarang iti panagkaykaysa ken dedikasyon dagiti lawagan nyo pakairamanan iti panagraem iti Patron Saint ani San Guillermo. Kalpasan na ti presentasyon ket dito meten an awardan dagiti nangaba ken iti panakaiwayat ti fireworks display. Kasi man diti panangdayaw ni Lawag City Mayor Michael Marquestion iti naangay programa.
Apo, ladies and gentlemen, this afternoon we gather not only to witness the incredible talents of our students from 11 secondary schools, but also to celebrate the unity, creativity, and resilience that define our beloved city. This competition is more than just a showcase of skill. It is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and passion of our young dancers, their families, and their mentors. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Department of Education Lawag, of course under the leadership of Dr. Juan Corpus, for your unwavering support and cooperation in this event, Apo. To the students participating in today's competition, your energy, enthusiasm, and creativity are the heart and soul of this festival. You have spent countless hours practicing, refining your routines, and perfecting every move. Your dedication is inspiring, and I encourage each of you to embrace this moment, knowing that you are not only competing, but also contributing to the rich tapestry of our beloved city. I would also like to acknowledge the invaluable support of all the parents who stood by their children every step of the way. A special thanks goes to the choreographers and all those involved in bringing their performance to life. Your creativity and guidance have empowered our young dancers to express themselves in ways that are both meaningful and impactful. As we celebrate this remarkable event, let us remember that the theme, Prevail, is a call to rise above challenges, to embrace our strengths, and to support one another in our pursuits. Together, we can overcome adversity and achieve great things. To everyone, thank you for coming and to being part of this spectacular event. To everyone, take care, God bless, Apiyag, Tibaro, Alawag.
Iti paset ti panagsarita ni Lawag City Mayor Michael Marquestion.
Iyon. Sinot winner?
Ti winner tayo, Idol Bernard Ket iti wait lang na pa na lista ako. Tabo ko pag iti naibakal dito yung cellphone.
Ay, naibakal. Sinot ang bakal? Kaneta powerful nga. Talikod mo ta?
Owen, iso ti
May Wonder Baby?
Aguna tayo.
Kaya na.
Ti champion tayo, iti Ilocos Norte National High School.
Wow!
First runner-up, Ilocos Norte College of Arts and Trades.
Agkaruba lang.
Second runner-up tayo, iti balatang integrated schools, ken dagiti daduma na pagadalan ket consolation winners damit Idol Bernard. Nakaawat ti
Hoy, hindi nagpapahuli yung balatong
si champion tayo,
Oh.
150,000 pesos.
Wow.
With the first runner-up, 100,000 pesos. Second runner-up, 50,000 pesos. Digiti, consolation prize tayo, 10,000 pesos
10.
each.
Mano dami
Then,
nga participants.
the special award,
Okay.
Bernard, dati pamulinawin queen nga 10,000 pesos at
Uy.
po mag-iso na iti Northwestern University. 11 schools from secondary Idol Bernard nagbibinalubal.
Oh, nice. At least they participated, and at the same time ng showcase. Makita dati na nagsakarupropa da Idol Joanne. They're very excited to showcase their talents. Ganun naman talaga ang Tagalawag eh. Ang mga Tagalawag ay masasayahing tao yan. Ayaw nila ng mga bad vibes. Sunshine nga eh. Pag sunshine yan, mabuhay yung mukha. Di ba? Buhay na buhay. Yan. Hindi sa mga rupanget kada namisog-sog kada apa-apa Idol Joanne. Amen.
One.
Hindi ka Tagalawag kapag ganun. Ayan, tandaan nyo yan. Pag may sa katao kat narupanget, kada naunget, kada isang amin nga Tagalawag deta, ti Tagalawag na ragsak nga tattao Idol Joanne. I tell you that. Okay. Any more?
DJ Payla nga ti damag iti siya dati lawag kadwa iti 99.5 basing lawag Idol John Gistin tatak Ramen.